Welcome back to the AZ Online Car Show, where we are at Carvana, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. We're going to take a look at all this inventory here at this dealership. We're going to see what makes this Carvana dealership different than the other Carvana dealerships you guys are accustomed to. Without any more delays, any more introductions, why don't we get started? So it's been one calendar year since Carvana acquired this Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram dealership from Jerry Seiner Automotive Group. Jerry Seiner has had a struggle to sell vehicles out here in this area on this particular lot. This dealership has had a number of different owners since it began its operations in the late 80s. It started off as Cropper Dodge up on Pinal Avenue, closer to downtown Casa Grande. Then it went to the Jones Group. Then it went out to Jerry Seiner in 2020. Then after its struggles and near bankruptcy, it went to the guys at Carvana. Carvana would thought that this would be a great test model to see if they can sell franchise vehicles, new cars, and according to the lot here, they are still struggling to sell vehicles. You can't put it all on Carvana. Carvana. A lot of this is Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram making vehicles too high and not making desirable vehicles for everybody. There is a lot of vehicles here on this lot. You can see all across the lane here, back around there, all the way back out to the main highway, and back in between here. Speaking of undesirable vehicles, my goodness, this has to be one of the top of the list. This is a 2026 Jeep Wagoneer limited as 4xe. This actually a pretty decent looking interior. Has a Wagoneer on the steering wheel. Not a bad size for a back seat. It's got the spoiler here on the back. The only thing is, it only has, I believe, like 294 miles of range. But man, look at the price. $67,790 for a electric Jeep. That is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. We're gonna look at this van here. This is a 2026 Pacifica Limited. This is the S package with the S logo on the seats. Leather panoramic sunroof. But man, $57,020 for a V6 that only gets a combined 20 miles a gallon. That's a lot of money. And they have a lot of Pacificas / Voyagers out here on this lot. That one right here is the most expensive one. This is the upscale Pinnacle one. Has the brown leather seats. It's got all-wheel drive, got 20-inch wheels, got the DVD inside of here, Napa leather seats, it's got the panoramic sunroof. But man, check out the price, $61,430, and we're talking about a minivan. A minivan, wow, what are we doing? That is a lot of money for a minivan. Back over here, we're gonna take a look at some trucks before we get into some other vehicles. This is I believe, a 26 Ram 3500 Cummins. This is the dually. It has the big boy Cummins inline 6 heavy duty 3500. Has all this writing on the window. This is the Longhorn, so this is the highest trim model of them all. Looks like there's some issues with this truck. Looks like the side steps are not operational. Got the bed liner right there. Some people connect the gooseneck trailer right there. It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's the hookup for the gooseneck trailer. Over here on the side, pricing on this particular model is, this is a 2026 Ram 3500 Limited Longhorn. Are you serious? Take a look at this. $100,525 for a 2026 Ram 3500 Cummins. That is a lot of money for this particular truck. You got some other ones right here. Let's take a look at this particular truck. It is a 2500. I believe this is the gas. Yeah, you can see Carvana.com. They're really pushing that. This is the Tradesman. This is the gas model. $51,250. And it comes without the bed liner. This is a basic frills 2500 truck. I'm sure you guys can get money off the hood off this thing. Get a two-door Wrangler Sport S. Man, $45,305 for a Wrangler two-door. Where have we gone wrong? That vehicle should be in the 30s, not $45,000. A couple more for you. Let's check out this. What is it? A Gladiator. Check this one out. Gladiator Willys. 4x4. This is a 2026. $49,715. And it comes with the V6. Naturally aspirated V6. And let's grab one or two more. This is the 2500 section. Let's grab a 25, a 1500, and that Grand Wagoneer back there. Let's see. This 2500. This is a Rebel. This is the Cummins inline 6. Let's see a price on this one. Oh, nice. They don't have a price on this one. But we'll find out online what the price is, and we'll post it. We'll post it in the comment section. But this is the 2500 Bighorn Night package. But man, $79,905 for this truck. It's a 2026. It's a 2026. We're gonna check out. Let's see. Let's go with that white truck on the end. White truck right here. This appears to be a base model. Ram Express Crew Cab, 2026. Base price $44,325, $51,530, and you get an inline six. You can either have this truck at $51,530 or that $2,500 back there. But that's still a lot with cloth seats. And we're gonna go with one more. If there is a price tag on that electric Charger, I'm hoping there is. I don't see one. None of their electric stuff here has a price tag. That's very, very interesting. But this Grand Wagoneer, this is the L. This is heavily updated for 2026. Got the new front end on this thing. Looks a lot like the Wagoneer S. You guys will look inside a little bit. Nice and roomy. Lots of screens on this particular version, but it only has the two. $76,735 for a Grand Wagoneer limited altitude.